Hi tier babes, today I'm finna show y'all my grocery haul from ALDIS, SAMS Club, and Walmart, and I'm finna clean this out, so let's get right into it. So this is everything from ALDIS. We got some eggs. Second, y'all, we got some bacon. Okay. Third, we have these Italian sausages. This is mild, and they're gonna go up here. Fourth, we have some Atlantic salmon, and y'all, it's already seasoned, so I'm gonna try this. Third, we have some burgers, some beef burgers. This we have some beef Angus, like thin sliced steak I'm gonna use for breakfast. So yeah, y'all see that. Fourth, we have, I don't know what I'm doing on y'all, but we got these assorted pork chops. Yeah. And we have this little packet of ground beef. Then we have this Mama Koji's, or Koji's, I don't know, pepperoni pizza. Yeah. And we have the home running sausage for Big Mama. Y'all know that's though. Then we have a bag of Kirkwood chicken wings. Then we have the Kirkwood buffalo style chicken strips. If you know, you know. Then I also like these buttermilk pancakes from ALDIS. You can just put them in the microwave. I like these for on the go. I like these. And then we have this organic apple juice. Yeah. And then we have some Capri Suns that I'm just gonna spread out in the refrigerator a little later. Then we have my favorite. I got pineapple chunks. I love these. Love them. Then I have a loaf of wheat bread. So yeah. I have 6 plain bagels. I have some honey turkey breast and honey ham. So yeah. And then I have some Samsung grapes that I've been eating, guys. So yeah. And then I have some cinnamon rolls, cinnamon buns per request. And then we got this little bitty half a gallon of milk that I'm gonna need. These honey buns. So Okay, not this. I got a pot roast, y'all. I'm gonna make like that. I got my favorite breakfast sandwiches, Jimmy Dean 12 pack. If you know, you know. We gonna have to open these up, but yeah, that was what I got. I've never had these, so I'm gonna try these. This is the Jimmy Dean turkey sausage. I'm gonna see how these taste. Then I got a box of White Castle burgers. They out the box already. Y'all know how they is. Then I got me a 24 pack of ginger ale, because if you know, you know. It's the best you could get right here. So I got this blanket, y'all, that's in this bag right now, but I'm gonna show y'all. This is my little blanket slash throw. It's a it fits a king and queen size, so look at it. Go get y'all one. I got me some tissue. I got this little 3-pack of Dawn or whatever. So yeah, 3-pack of Dawn. It's for like cleaning. You know, it's dish detergent or whatever. Moving on to what I got from Walmart. Let's wake that up. So first, from my Walmart order, I needed some more body scrub, so I got the body scrub. Y'all see what it say? Gourmet Corpse, y'all. And it smells so good and clean. Like, I love this. Second, I'm going to try out these overnight period panties and see how they work, and which I know, like, if these is good or if I don't like them. So stay tuned for this. Stay tuned for that. Okay. I got some more toothbrushes with the caps on there. So yeah. I got me some Dove antibacterial soap. I'm gonna see how this works because I couldn't find it out, y'all. So I'm gonna try this and see if this is like something I can use. I got these flushable wipes, y'all. They're not open, but they flushable wipes, 2-pack of Cosino. Then from Walmart also, I got 2 of the twin packs of Listerine mouthwash. So yeah. Then also I got me some more the sensitive skin. Y'all know this is my favorite soap. Stand by this soap. I got some more of this. And then I think this is the last thing I got. I got some Dow. What is this? This is going to bath, bubble bath. So it's like a peach scent. Really good, you guys. So I'm gonna try this for my baths. And that's pretty much everything I got from the stores, guys. So I'm gonna pack everything up and go on with my day. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, stay tuned for the bangers, the bangers, the bangers, the bangers, the bangers. Love you guys. Bye.